Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Julie, and in today's video I'm going to be doing this eyeshadow look that I'm wearing right here. It is really simple, straightforward, easy, but also a nice bright pop of color that's really fun, but also wearable and not too loud. Loud, but not too loud. I got this look using the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette with Morphe. I really like that palette a lot, and in this one I'm using probably what I would say is my favorite color in the palette, which is Therapy Sesh right here. Super beautiful and eye-catching. I really, really love that color. So this look is based around that color, and yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so my main goal is going to be to keep it simple. I want to do something eye-catching and a big pop of color, kind of loud but also wearable, while keeping it easy to achieve. I hear my dog breathing really creepily through the door behind me. I'm gonna let him in really quick. Okay, they're in. So just ignore their sounds because these guys are noisy little pups. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start with Therapy Sesh on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to start gently adding that into the crease, very lightly to start, just so I can get a nice gradient. I'm gonna go in heavy with this color, so I want to do my best to help it to fade to nothing. I also want to go in slowly because this is a very bright palette. So any fallout from this palette is going to speckle your face in some super, super bright colors, and I'm trying not to do that today. I have done it in the past. So just slowly building this up in the crease. Okay, my dogs can't make up their minds, so the store's staying open because those guys, man. Just gonna continue adding this into the crease. Trying to deepen it in the crease, but keep it nice and gradient on the end. So once I've laid down all of that color on the brush, I'm gonna start slowly blending upward, and also I'm gonna kind of release the pressure as I'm blending upward so that I can get a softer sweep of whatever I'm blending out on the lid and whatever's left over on the brush. Now I'm gonna go in with this flat brush. It's actually a concealer brush, and I'm gonna take more Therapy Sesh on there. And I'm going to begin to pack that onto the lid. The reason I'm going in with a smaller, more precise brush is so that the color doesn't get out of hand, especially on the inner part of the eye. I don't want it to go up too high in here. And it's bright. If it does even a little bit, it's gonna be really noticeable. So I'm just gonna do that real slowly. Okay, so I don't know if you can see, but I got some fallout on my lower eye. So I'm gonna take this big fluffy brush and really gently sweep it away. And it's gone. Anyway, I'm gonna go in a little slower with this now because I got a little too anxious, a little too eager to be done. So I'm just gonna continue to slowly pack that on. Voila. Honestly, I feel like this all by itself is good enough. I would throw on mascara and walk out the door right now. I think that this by itself is so pretty, and it's rare that I feel that way about just one color, but this one, man, how pretty is that? So, so nice. But we're gonna continue on here. What we're gonna do next is add a little bit of depth and a little bit of shape to the eye. So how we're gonna do that is taking a smaller, denser brush and go in with Stay True. Stay True is this color right here. So with that color, I'm just gonna, on the corner right over here, gently begin to add that down. Once that's laid down and that is on the lid and set down pretty good, I'm gonna just start blending it really gently with really light back and forth motions, really tight back and forth motions. Not gonna go crazy, just kind of gently. I did notice that this color was a little patchy because I used concealer instead of eye primer, so just wanted to make that quick note. And once that's down, I'm gonna go back in with that first brush, with that first color, and lightly deepen the crease, low in the crease, and then onto the lid, blend those together using the lighter shade just to soften everything. Then using a clean brush, this is actually clean even though it looks pink, I'm just going to very lightly go all over the crease for additional blending, and even down here, blend out those corners like so. Next, I'm gonna go in with a small fluffy pencil brush and therapy sesh again. Make sure to tap off the excess, and I'm just going to begin adding that slowly to the lower lash line. And once I've added that to the lower lash line with no additional product, I'm going to slowly blow that out a little bit, bringing it down. With the lower I get, the lighter I'm using the brush, so that I can get a nice soft gradient with that color, and then I'm gonna flick it up in the corner over here. Okay, now going in with this small pencil brush, another pencil brush, it's clean. I'm gonna go in with Certified, and I'm going to take that under the brow bone, just to kind of bring a little something up there, right here, lightly. And then I'm also going to add some right here into the inner corner, just to brighten that up. And I'm keeping it matte on purpose. I already have brightness, and the brightness is what I'm going for. I'm not going for sparkly, shimmery, shiny, bright pop of color. I'm just going for vibrant, matte, wearable. So there we go. Next, I'm going to give my lashes a quick curl. And then throw on some mascara. You can use any mascara that you like. I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. I do recommend black. I kind of think that that looks cool without false lashes, just that bright pop of color, but I'm always extra. I have to do lashes today. I'm gonna go bright. I want it to just be big, you know? Letting the glue get a little tacky before I pop this on. This is the iconic Light Lash by House of Lashes. Really, really love this lash. It's a staple of mine, has been for a really long time. Now that the lash is on, I'm gonna put some mascara on my bottom lashes as well. Obviously, putting on the lash really covers up some of that color, which I'm cool with, because I feel like it's dramatic. I like dramatic, but if you just want a fun summer pop of color and have it be no fuss, simple, easy, then I'd say just forgo the lashes, like forget them. But if you want it to be big, bold, and loud, lashes are great. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did my other eye and I also put on some lipstick. Today I'm wearing the NYX lip liner in nude suede shoes and Buxom lip gloss in Sophia. One more thing that you can do, and you don't necessarily have to, but I like to do it, is to brighten up your lash line. I'm gonna use the NYX Wonder Pencil in, I think this is a medium. And I'm just going to very lightly run this along my waterline. Just brightens it up a little bit. And that's everything. I hope that you enjoyed this pretty easy, simple, straightforward Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette eyeshadow look. Really love these colors. Every time I wear them, I get compliments. The colors are so vibrant and beautiful that people just notice them, they stick out. So anyway, hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.